Hi, we are going to do question number 26 from Leetcode, that is remove duplicates from sorted array. Okay, so let's read this question. Given an array, given an integer array, nums sorted in non-decreasing order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique elements appear only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Okay, so basically we have to return the unique we have to return an array which has all unique elements inside it. Okay, and the order should be the same as it was in the original array. Since it is impossible to change the length of array in some languages, you must instead have the result to be placed in the first part of an array nums. For more formally, if there are k elements after removing the duplicates, then the first k elements of the num should be the final result. It does not matter what you leave beyond and first k elements. Return k after placing the final result in the first k slots of the nums. Okay, so in last, basically what we have to return is that the number of all unique elements of an array. Okay, so I will discuss the approach here. So my approach is here. I'll start comparing on the I'll iterate over this for over this array here on this. Okay, and I will check. Okay, I'm going to solve this question O of n. Time complexity is O of n and the space complexity is O of 1 because we are not going to create any other array. Okay, so here my approach is iterate over this array, keep comparing, and if there is any duplicate numbers, shift that here like this. Okay, so now let's discuss the algorithm for this one. Okay, yeah. So 1 minute. Yeah, if ARR of I is not equal to ARR of I plus 1, sorry, I plus 1, then ARR of some variable k is equal to ARR of I plus 1, and every time we will increase k plus plus. That's all. In last, return k. So what it is saying is, so every time, if let's suppose if these two are not same, means shift this side. But here we are starting with 1. Why 1? K is starting with 1. Okay, why 1? I will tell you. Yeah, why we are starting k with 1? Because the first element of this array will not be duplicate of any other element, right? So that's why we will start with k is equal to 1 here. Okay, we will start with 1. I will check. Okay, is this number 1, ARR of 1 is not equal to ARR of 2? No, it is equal, so it will not come into this loop. Okay, now again it will move forward to 2. Now it will check whether it is if ARR of 2 is not equal to ARR of 3. So 2 is not equal to 3. Yes, it is not. 2 and 3, the elements are different, so it will come into this condition. And here k was initially, k was here, k increased and it became 2. here in this condition k here increased and it shifted here and k increased. Okay, so here k is 2, so now this 3 will shift here on 2, index 2. Again like that only it will check, and every time we will keep increasing k. Okay, if it is not equal, so we will keep increasing k and shifting the unequal to the equal elements. I hope this is clear. If not, then I'll explain it one more time. I will try run. Okay, we had here 3. So if ARR of I, where I is starting from 0, don't get confused. If ARR of I is not equal to ARR of I plus 1, in that situation what we have to do is ARR of k is equal to ARR of I plus 1, and each time increase k by 1. Initially I am taking k is equal to 1 because k will start from here, because not 0, because first element at 0 it is not duplicate of any other number. This 1 is not duplicate of it because this is the first time it is coming, so it is not the duplicate. Okay, 2 can be duplicate of this, at 1 it can be duplicate of this one, right? But the first at index 0 it won't be duplicate of any other number. Okay, so that's why we will start with k is equal to 1 we will start. So now try run this. Okay, so initially I is 0, initially I is equal to 0, and every time I plus plus I am doing. Okay, yeah, so I is equal to 0, so ARR of 0, which is this one, is not equal to this one, yes, which is I plus 1. These two are not equal, so what it will do, ARR of I plus 1 will be equal to ARR of k, and k will increase one time. So these two are not equal, these two are at 0 and 1, it is not equal. So ARR of k is initially 1, and here ARR of 0 here is 0 plus 1, which means I am talking about this number only. So already it is on the k is equal to 1 only, but it will not change, it will be 1 and 2 here only, same thing, but k will increase by 1, which means k will become, now k will be 2, I will be 1, and we will see. So I will be 1, ARR of 1 is 2, here it will 2 is not equal to 3. Yes, you can see here ARR of I plus 1, I plus 1 means I is 1, so at 2 we will check. Okay, 2, so this is not equal to this one, sorry, we are on I is equal to 1, so here I is equal to 1 and 2. Okay, so 2 is equal to 2, it will not come in this loop again. So here I is equal to 1, ARR of 1 is not equal to ARR of 2, no, but here both are equal, 2 are equal. Okay, 2 is equal to 2, these two are equal. So what we will do, this will not come into this loop, and again k is same, k is 2 only, and I is again 2, because I will increase every time I is increasing, I plus plus. So now I ARR of 2 is not equal to ARR of 3, ARR of 3, yeah, which is 3. So ARR of 2 is not equal to 2, yeah, it's not equal to 3, 2 is not equal to 3, so this will come into this loop, and ARR of k, which means ARR of 2, here ARR of 2 will be equal to ARR of I plus 1, which means now it is shifting this side. This will shift this side. Okay, this will shift this side. Here that only we did ARR of I plus 1. I is 2. 2 plus 1 3. Again, and k will increase again. So now k will become, I will become 3 and k will also become 3, like this. Okay, I hope this is clear now. Let's code this. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so initially what we will do, for my convenience, what I do is like I just keep the length in variable n, arr dot, okay, int n. Okay, now I have to start k with 1, right? For int I is equal to 0, I should be less than n minus 1. Why we are doing n minus 1 is because we are going till I plus 1. So if length is 5 only, which is 0 to 5, then it will go to I is equal to 6, which does not exist. So it will throw an exception, out of bound exception. Okay, and every time we will increase I by 1. Okay, cool. Next, if ARR of I is not equal to of I plus 1, in that situation what we have to do is we have to assign that k. Okay, ARR of k is equal to ARR of I plus 1. Okay, and increase k by 1 every time. Done. And return k. That's all. Return k. Okay, let's run this code. Yeah, it's accepting. Now submit this. I hope it should accept all test cases. It should pass. Yeah, it is passing. Okay, cool. So this is the code for this question, which is very easy. You can solve it. That's all for this video. Please do subscribe this channel for regular updates of code. Okay, thank you.